The present department, which is called the Department of Near and Middle Eastern Civilizations, is the result of a merger of two former departments. We do basically almost everything from, prehistory, the prehistory of the Middle East thousands of years ago, up to contemporary issues in the Middle East. So it's a very long coverage in terms of time, but also in terms of the various intellectual disciplines. So we have pretty much, almost every field is represented. So we have archaeology, ancient Near Eastern archaeology, we have Egyptology, we have Assyriology, we have, Hebrew and Judaic studies, we have Aramaic and Syriac studies, Christianity in the Middle East. We also have, a very large contingent in Iranian and Persian studies, from antiquity up to the contemporary world. We have, of course, Arabic, both classical and modern Arabic. We have, a history of the modern Middle East as well. We have even, now a chair of Zoroastrian languages and literatures. So the department has grown considerably, since the merger.
We have over 100,000 artifacts, largely ceramics, but we also have flotation samples for petrography. We have stone tools, we have glass, coins. We've had students working with primary material, both undergraduate and graduate students, but they were allowed the opportunity to work hands-on with this material, doing either fabric analysis or metric or stylistic analysis if we have particular painted wares, things like that. So it's a really novel approach, I think, that we have here in the NMC Archaeology Lab.
One thing that I think is really magical about NMC is that although one might look at it from the sense that NMC is so many different fields, cultures, time periods, specializations, all in one, that's also where we kind of derive our strength.
We're probably at this point one of the largest, if not the largest, in terms of faculty members. And what distinguishes us is the coverage we have.
The department and its faculty makes such a effort to bridge these gaps and to connect us all. And I think it's through this spirit of unity that members feel very comfortable emphasizing their own differences, because it's the differences here that are celebrated.
We're considered, a major, player, intellectual player, in the field of Near and Middle Eastern studies in North America, if not in the world, in fact.